Electrician pay in Qatar is worth a closer look. The average salary of an electrician in Qatar is 10,500 US dollars a year. That adds up to roughly $875 a month before tax. An entry-level electrician salary in Qatar starts well below this average, but wages go up noticeably as you gain practical experience over your first few years. Once you reach a certain level, your income can plateau unless you move into a supervision role, which is why many workers choose to study further. A university degree or advanced technical diploma opens doors to higher-paying positions, helping you advance into an electrical supervisor or maintenance manager. On top of that, employer size makes a big difference in how much does an electrician make in Qatar, because small local shops pay a fraction of what large national companies offer, while international firms pay substantially higher average electrician pay overall.